Hello everyone and welcome to this Miradore webinar. My name is Sonia Kinsley and I'm a marketing specialist at Miradore. Let's have a look on today's agenda. First, we have a pre-recorded demonstration on today's topic presented by Andreas Handler. If you come up with any questions during the presentation, please type those into the question box of our webinar tool. After the demo, Andreas is here also for a live questions and answering session to answer these questions sent. Shortly about today's presenter. Andreas joined Miradore in March 2015 as a key account manager. He is responsible for the Dutch region, which includes Germany, Switzerland, and Austria. He speaks fluently two languages, German and English. Therefore, if you're a German-speaking person, please do not hesitate to contact him. Now let's move to the presentations. So, Andreas, here you go.
Thank you, and hello out there. As already mentioned, my name is Andy, and today I want to show you how to use Miradore Online to deploy contacts to your Android device. No matter if you are using Android for Enterprise with Profile Owner or Device Owner mode, or not. Here at the right, you can see my mobile phone. I have two contact apps because this phone is in Profile Owner mode. My private contacts are here in the Contacts app in the private area. In the work profile, there are no contacts yet, but I have prepared here a list of contacts. Arnold Schwarzenegger and Nikola Tesla, with a phone number and an email address. But how is it possible to get these contacts onto my mobile phone? First, create a configuration profile. I select Android operating system. I select contacts. I select the file here on the right from my desktop. Here I can see already the contacts. I click Next, and I give this configuration profile a name. Now, this configuration profile is here, and I just have to deploy this configuration profile to my mobile device. And now on the right, you already see that there are new contacts. This is just a few from my Contacts app, that new contacts are at the top also, and then they are separated, selected by their first name. And if you open one of those contacts and you look at the details, you can see the phone number of the contact. It's the same like the phone number here from the CSV file, and you also can see the email address. And if you want to contact Arnold, just press the dial button. Then you're forwarded to the private area and the number is dialed. In this device, no SIM card is inserted. That's why I wasn't afraid calling Arnold, because the call wasn't established. So it's that easy to deploy company contacts to your device. And as you see, this is a very quick and a very powerful function of Miradore Online. So I want to say thanks for your attention, and maybe you have some questions for us.
Thank you, Andreas, for the presentation. As you mentioned, now it's time for the questions and answers session. So I will kindly ask Andreas to reply me to this question. Is it possible to use this feature with Profile Owner mode, or also with device owner mode too? And if yes, is there a second contact app on the phone like in the presentation?
That's a good question, Sonia. When you're using the device owner mode on these Android phones, there is just one database for contacts, and the contacts you deploy from Miradore is integrated in this database. So there is no second app, there is just one contacts app there, and the contacts you deploy from Miradore online are integrated there seamlessly. You just can see that they are deployed from Miradore online based on the picture you can see next to the contact. I hope that answered the question. There's another question here in the question box.
Oh.
The question is there, what is the minimum client version needed on the smartphone? I'm not completely sure about that, but I guess it's version 2.6.5. But I have to take a look into the release notes. You can find the release notes on Miradore online, and there you can find from which version it is available.
Thank you, Andreas. Now we would love if you would give us your feedback, and if you would like to discuss further, ask questions or give suggestions, you can also contact us on our website. Thank you everyone for participating. Feel free to share our webinar on social media, and we look forward to meeting you next time.
Goodbye.